head all the time. She knows I want him to throw them in the pool so that they're easier for me to get. She just hasn't figured out throw it in the pool over here. Bella.
You know what?
I've been telling her to drop it in the pool right here, so she thinks she can just drop it wherever now. Hey.
Bella,
Wait. Have to throw the ball first so she can go after it.
Go.
Where's her ball? Go get her ball. Come on. Come on. Bella. Bella. Take her. Come and get her. No. Oh. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. He's in a hurry. Come on, Joe. Bella, this way. Come on. Bella.
Rowdy.
There, Bill. Let's do it one more time. Bill, wait. Bella, swim. Joe, here. Joe, here. Here, Joe. Joe. Sorry, we have to do this, but you're running your feet off. Bella. Leave Joe alone. I think she's coming to eat. Bring her over here. Belle, come here. Belle. Where's the ball? Come on, Belle. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay? Belle. Belle, out. Good girl. Good girl. Grab it. Herb. Get it. Let's get in front of the side of Spooky, Dad. Spooky. Come on. Good girl. Wait, Sheila, let me get your ball.
Good job, Bella.
Spooky's for hers in the pool party.
Okay.
Cook her. Cook her. Cook. Cook. Where? Cook. Spooky, come here. Spook, come here. Where?
Bella. Yeah, I'll get her.
Let's just go the other way. Get it, Spook. Come on. Get the ball, Spooky. Spook, get it. Oh, well, no second ball.
Throw her ball. Yeah, Bella.
Sheila.
Grab the ball. Come on.
Bella, here. This one. Bella. Here, Spooky. Spook. Sheila, here. Sheila, here. Sheila. What?
Bella, good job. Come on.
Bella, come here.
Are you keeping up fast so they can jump?
Huh?
Are you keeping up that fast so they can jump?
I was trying to...
Bella.
See, she doesn't jump in off the side very good. But she did that time. But if you take her here, here's Spooky.
on the side. That's the
I know, but then she skids up on that. Joe. Wait up, Joe. Wait up, Joe. Go on, Joe. Bella.
Bella. Bella, no.
Come on, Joe. Come on. Jump. Go, Belle.
Up, Bella.
Leave him alone. Jump. Come here, Joe. Are you tired, pup? Come on, Sheila. Out of the pool. Come on. Sheila, come on. Out of the pool. Throw it. She won't. She's tired.
Yeah.
Here, Spook. Spook, no. Spook. Come on, Spook. Get it. Come on, Belle. Spook here. Spook. Holy crap, it's cold out here. Gotta get back in the water. Get it, Spook. It's cold when you get out.
I know.
Come on, Spooky, here. We need to go to the 99-cent store and get some more buffalo hooves. Get that. Come on, Belle. Get Spooky. Yeah. Okay, go, 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 go. Go!
That's wild.
Where's Sheila? Sheila's here.
Go, Bella.
Spook, 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 Spook. Where? Good girl. Come on. Hook. Joe, you want one more try? Want to go one more time, Joe? Come on, Joe, jump. Jump, boy. Good boy.
Bella, on the jump.
Bella, here. That's just gonna bother him. It's gonna bother him. Where'd you go? Bill, up. Come on, Bill, jump.
Eyes open, Bella. Get that.
Joe, come on. Where's Spooky's ball?
Right there next to Bella.
Cooking. Cooking. Oh, get it. Oh, Sheila, I threw the wrong ball. Come on, Sheila. I think Spooky's tired. Now she'll run and jump. Get it, Spook, get it, get it.